So today we are going to start off hemisphere. Last time I thought that you were not speaking, like as usual you do not used to speak, okay? And I continued my work, but as at last I came to know that my audio is not working. Okay, so sorry for that one. Okay, so hemisphere. So this is the kind. So it is like a ball, so half court ball, or you can call it the half court earth also, because it is also in a form of sphere. Okay, so sphere la आधी टुक्रा बनायो भने that is called hemisphere. Okay, so half part of sphere is called hemisphere. And here, so we know that radius and height, radius, and this is also called radius only because from center to the circumference we are measuring. From center to circumference ni ho yo pani, but it seems to be like height, so we are writing it as height. So we need to remember R and S, they are equal to each other. Radius and height, they are always equal, remember, right? So sometimes, so when they are combined solid, duita figure afterwards. Okay, after today's class, tomorrow we are going to do a combined solid. Okay, so here, so in that combined solid, what we are going to do, hemisphere will also be there, cylinder will also be there, so they will be joined together. So if you have seen the pencil, okay, timarko pencil la herne ho bhane, you can see a cylinder. Okay, so timarko jun pencil cha, that is cylinder. Okay, the tip of this one, the tip of your pen or pencil, so they are cone shape. See the pen properly. Okay, so they are cone shape. So let me draw a figure for you all. So if you see a pen, okay, so it is round shape, round shape. So this is a cylinder shape. Okay, if you see the tip of your pen or pencil, then that is cone shape. And the cone type of the timarko. Right, so this is the cone. And if you see the back side of a pencil, so nowadays Notras and all, they don't have the eraser, but previously there used to be the eraser also. Okay, so this is hemisphere. Okay, so hemisphere, that means half sphere is also there. So आधी टुक्रा तिम्रो hemisphere पनि दिएको हुन्छ. Okay, हुन्थ्यो, but nowadays so there is no eraser nowadays. Okay, so in our time there used to be the eraser also. So this is hemisphere, this is cone, this is cylinder that we are going to learn tomorrow. But let us continue today's work. Okay, so let us learn how to do the calculation in case of hemisphere. Okay, so in hemisphere, radius and height, they are equal to each other. And I told last time also, CSA and TSA, they are same in case of sphere. Okay, 4 pi r square. But in case of hemisphere, so what there will be? So 4 pi r square ka adi kati? 4 means the half of 4 will be 2. Okay, 2 pi r square will be the formula of CSA of hemisphere, 2 pi r square. And TSA, okay, so TSA, total surface area. In case of total surface area, what is also added? Circle is also added. Okay, so circle pani add bhakole gadhari, what is the formula of area of circle? It is pi r square. So CSA 2 pi r square theo, and area of circle is pi r square. So pi r square plus 2 pi r square. So if there is no number, there is 1. So 2 plus 1, it will be 3. Okay, so that's why we are writing 3 pi r square. You hear so you this is the short description for this one. CSA plus area of circle plus TSA. Okay, so oripari we call it CSA. It is 2 pi r square. Plus there is circle also, area of circle also. That's why it is pi r square. So 2 plus 1, it will be 3 pi r square. And volume, so the same thing we need to do, we need to make it half of volume of sphere. So volume of sphere ko formula ke pate? 4 by 3 pi r cube, isn't it? So what is the half of 4? The half of 4 is 2. Okay, so half of 4 is 2. So that's why, so 2 by 3 pi r cube. So you 3 ko चाहिँ किन half भएन भन्छ नि, math को मात्रै half हुन्छ, तललाई half कसरी हुने? Okay, so half भनेको यस्तो 1 by 2. This is the half, isn't it? In this way we will do half. So 4 and 5, sorry, 4 and 2 will be cancelled. So 4, 2, so this will be cancelled by 1. So that's why it becomes 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So in this way we write down the formula as 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so the different topic like area of circle is also used, pi r square. Circumference of circle like 2 pi r is also used over here. So let us be prepared for that one. Okay, so let us go to our main topic. This is all about the formula. Hope you have already copied. Okay, so let us go to the topic now. So find the CSA, TSA, and volume of hemisphere. So hemisphere is given. Okay, so what to go just the shape so that is the hemisphere. Okay, so in your kitchen also you can see different type of hemisphere. Okay, so so cap. Okay, so timorka cap isari banaidiyo bhane, so that is also a kind of hemisphere. Okay, so if like this is made, then that is a cap, isn't it? So rounded cap. Okay, so this is a kind of hemisphere. So watermelon, watermelon season so you can see a watermelon. If you cut it into two half, that is also called the hemisphere. Okay, so let us find out the CSA, TSA, and volume now. So if radius is 7 centimeter, what will be the formula of CSA? So CSA will be 2 pi r square. So just put the value. 2 means 2, pi means 22 by 7. The radius is 7, so write down 7 square. Radius is 7, so write down 7 square. Then use a calculator. So 2 into pi, pi means 22 by 7 into 7 square. Use a calculator. So will you get this value or not? 308 square centimeter. Is this the answer? Please use a calculator. Is this the answer of this question number? So this CSA of hemisphere or not? Okay. So in the similar way, TSA of hemisphere. So what is the formula of TSA? CSA will be 2, TSA will be 3. So 3 pi r square. Okay. So the 2 and the 3. Volume here 2 by 3. Volume 2 by 3. Okay. So in that way also you can memorize. So 3 pi r square. So 3 means 3. Pi means 22 by 7. Radius is 7. Radius is 7. Okay. 7 there goes. That's why 7 square. Okay. So now again use the formula. 3 into pi means 22 by 7 into radius is 7 square. So put the value. Multiply. Will you get this answer or not? Did you get this as answer or not? 462.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is also the area. So area must be written as square centimeter. Volume should be written as cubic centimeter, cm cube. Okay, so cubic centimeter. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so 2 by 3 into pi means 22 by 7, and radius is 7. Radius is 7, so 7 cube. Okay, so while multiplying, I have told you last time also. So do not go upper side first. Go in this way: 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 cube. Divide, garde, 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 cube. Okay, so use the calculator and get the answer. Whether you will get this answer or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you turn your video on, eh? Video. Let me see a video. Somebody, I got the information that somebody is playing. Somebody is sleeping and watching the video only. Please turn your video on. Let me see what you are doing. Are you sitting properly and doing your work or not? Okay. Is there any problem in hemisphere? If you have any problem, you can ask right now. So in this line, I have not understood. You got them. You can also write. Okay, so you can take out your annotate or something is there. Okay, so you can use that one and you can just underline. So in this line, I have not understood. Okay, you can ask me if you have any problem. Okay, so if you have no problem, so let me go to the next question. Okay, now let me go to the next question. So height is 14 centimeter. So height is 14 centimeter. Last time also I have told you, just before I have told you that height and what is equal to each other? Hmm? Height and what is equal? Instead of radius, if height is given, then what shall we do? In case of hemisphere, so what are equal to each other? Radius and height, they are equal to each other. So if height is 14 centimeter, then radius will be how much?
14 centimeter.
So 14 centimeter, that means radius and height, they are going to be equal. So it is going to be 14 centimeter. Okay, so that is also going to be equal to 14 centimeter. Now the process is same. Okay, so now process is same. So please do your work. Please continue. Okay, so let me hide the answer. Let's do it quickly. Okay, so please do it quickly.
Yes, sir.
Did you get all these answers? Okay. Mr. Abhishek Tamang, he came just now. Very good. Yes, one piece. Okay, so after this one, let us go to the next then. Okay, now this is the simple type of question that so the value was given, we directly put the value and we got the answer. CSA, TSA, volume. Now if volume is given, then how to find out the radius? So simple. Okay, so if volume will be given, just put the value over here. Volume ka value लगाउने, the radius निकाल्ने. Okay, so just put the value of r. Okay, so r as r only. Then take all the value this side, you'll get the value of r. Okay, so cube, it goes this side, it will be cube root and you'll get the answer. Yeah, CSA को value दिएको छ, radius निकाला भन्यो भने you need to do the same thing. So CSA को value लगाउने यता. Okay, and you need to find out the radius. Got it? But if CSA is given and you need to find out TSA, then what you will do it? CSA को चाहिँ value दिएको छ अनि TSA चाहिँ निकाला भन्यो भने चाहिँ what you will do? Okay, so what we need to do? So CSA बाट के निकाल्ने पहिला? We need to find out the radius first because TSA के बिना आउँदैन, radius बिना आउँदैन. Okay, we cannot get the value of TSA without radius. So CSA बाट के निकाल्ने? Radius निकाल्ने. Okay, so let us do it. Okay, so अलिक बुझ्नु गाह्रो भएन, let me explain you with the question itself. Okay, so chord surface area of hemisphere. Okay, chord surface area of hemisphere, that means CSA. Okay, so chord surface area means CSA of hemisphere. Double time I've written over here. So CSA is given 392 pi. This is the value of CSA. Chord surface area को value कति छ अरे 392 pi. Okay, sometimes pi मान दिएको हुन्छ. And find its total surface area and volume. So to find out the TSA, what we need first? We need radius first. हामीलाई पहिला के चाहियो? Radius चाहियो. So radius we need to get from CSA. Okay, we will get it from CSA. Then after getting radius, then only we can find out TSA, we can find out volume. Okay, so let us find out the value. So here, CSA of hemisphere is given this much. So let us not write down square centimeter. So what is the formula of CSA of hemisphere? It is, instead of 3 pi r square, it is 2 pi r square, isn't it? Or so 2 pi r square equals to 392 pi. So this pi and this pi can be cancelled. Okay, so let us cancel this one. So pi and this pi will be cancelled. Cancel कर दियो. Okay, so this side and this side, let us cancel them. Or so let us take this 2 also this side. So r square equals to 392 divided by 2. Okay, so 392 divided by 2 will be how much? So please do it. I don't have calculator
96.
with me. 196. 96. So 196 is the square root of which number?
14.
14 square. So r square equals to 14 square. Okay, and square will be cancelled, or r will be equal to how much? 14 will be the answer. 14 centimeter is the value of radius. Okay, after getting the radius, this is not the answer, right? This is not the complete answer. This only we have found the radius first, because without radius we cannot find out TSA, we cannot find out the volume. So CSA pada, first of all we need to find out the radius. After getting the radius, then only we can jump to the next question. Total surface area, volume. Okay, so we got the radius now. So let us go for the next topic. That means let us find out the TSA. So what is the formula of TSA? Let us write down now over here. Now, so TSA of hemisphere equals to 3 pi r square. Okay, so 3 pi r square. So 3 means 3 itself, pi means 22 by 7 into radius is 14. So let us use 14 over here, 14 square, and apply the value. You'll get this answer. 1848. No, simply we can do this question. So TSA we have already, so radius we have already got. Now just put the value. So TSA means 3 pi r square. So 3 means 3, pi means 20 by 7, radius is 14. So use your calculator, get the answer. In the similar way, so volume of sphere is shown over here. So incomplete topic I have shown. Okay, just put the value 2 by 3 into pi means how much I don't know. Radius is how much I don't know. Okay, just put the value and get the answer. How much you got the answer? Tell me. What is the value of volume?
5749.33.
Okay, 5749.33. This is the correct answer. My dear student, I want to see your beautiful faces, beautiful and handsome faces. Please please turn your video on. Miss Panji, your ceiling is very good. Please show me your face, not the ceiling. Okay. Done? Okay, so after doing this one, is there anything left or not? Okay, so let me give the question, okay, to you. One question to you. So TSA of hemisphere is 1848 square centimeter. Then find its.
Sorry, I have written 2.
Sorry.
This is
Okay,
question
so
number 4.
yes, find its CSA. So TSA of hemisphere is this much. So 1848 square centimeter. Find its CSA, chord surface area. So first of all, what you will do? So to find out the CSA, we need first of all radius. Okay, we need the radius first. So to get the radius, we need the help of CSA or TSA over here.
TSA.
TSA, because the value of TSA is given. CSA का value देखा सही ना, TSA का जो value देखा सही. So we need to go from TSA. Okay, so अघि को जसरी ने TSA of hemisphere equals to 1848 square centimeter लेख्ने. So from here get the radius. Okay, so get the radius. After getting the radius, then only use this formula. CSA of hemisphere equals to 2 pi r square. Okay, so get the value. So your answer must be. Okay, I'll see you afterwards. Please copy the question. Do it quickly. The radius will come 14. Did you get 14? Did you get radius as 14 or not? So radius will be 14 and the CSA, the value of CSA will be 1232. 1232 will be the answer of CSA. Just 10 minutes left. So radius is going to be 14 centimeter and CSA equals to 1232 square centimeter. Okay, so this is going to be your answer. So did you get this answer or not? All of you. All of you got the value of radius as 14 or not?
Yes, sir.
Then simply we can use the formula of CS and get the answer. Okay, got the answer?
Yes, sir.
This is question number 5 now. Next question. Oh, please copy this question. Okay, so if the sphere having TSA, okay, so the sphere, the TSA of the sphere is given 2464 square centimeter, okay, and it is cut into two equal halves. Dita tukrama change garere. Okay, there was a sphere. Draw over here. Okay, so there was a sphere. Okay, and this sphere is cut into two equal halves. It's like kati there, shorta kati there. Okay, so when it is cut into two equal halves, okay, then what had happened? So this is changed into what now? So this is changed into just a hemisphere now. Okay, so two equal hemisphere is changed. Okay, so it's a yoda boyare or goche. So it is like this. Okay, so two equal half no change gare sare. Now if the TSA of this hemisphere was 2464, okay, square hemisphere 2464 छ भने, so calculate the TSA of hemisphere. This hemisphere, what is the TSA of this hemisphere? Okay, your TSA your hemisphere को चाहिँ area कति हुन्छ? Okay, total surface area, how much it will be? So that we need to calculate it. Okay, so if TSA is 2464, that means if it is cut into two equal half, then it is going to be half or not? Nani Babu? If the TSA of sphere is 2464, okay, यसलाई काट्यो भने यसको आधी रेखा पाइन्छ कि पाइँदैन यसलाई?
Yes, sir.
No, we cannot write down. यसलाई काट्यो भने टोटल सर्फेस एरिया इक्वल हुन्छ त आधी नै लेख्नु पाइन्छ त पाइँदैन. Why पाइँदैन? Because what was the formula of TSA of sphere? It was 4 pi r square. Okay, आधीलाई त 2 पो भन्छ त. Okay, but what is the formula of TSA of hemisphere? It is not 2 pi r square. It is what? It is 3 pi r square. Okay, so 3 pi r square. So we cannot write down it as half. Okay, so TSA of sphere is this much. Okay, and TSA of hemisphere equals to TSA divided by 2. We cannot divide it by 2. That's what shall we do? Get the radius first. Esko radius nikalne. Okay, so TSA of sphere border, let's get the radius first. After getting the radius, then only we can find out the TSA of hemisphere. Is that okay or not? Did you draw this figure? Okay, this is why we cannot use the formula of, so we cannot do half directly. So get the answer quickly. So first of all, write down TSA of sphere. So just 3 minutes left. Please do quickly. Of sphere equals to 2646. So what is the formula of sphere? It is 4 pi r square. So let me copy the pi over here. So pi square 4 pi r square equals to 2646. Or so 4 into pi means 22 divided by 7. Okay, so into, so radius is r square itself, r square equals to 2646. Please get the value of radius quickly. We just have 2 minutes left now. So radius will come 14. Did you get the value of radius as 14? So 4 will go this side, will be divide. So 22 also will go this side, will be divide. 7 will go this side, will be multiply. Did you get the radius as 14 centimeter or not? Please be quick.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then after that, so what we need to do? So we need to get the value of Tsa of hemisphere. So Tsa of hemisphere, what is the formula? So it is not 2 pi r square. Okay, so remember that one. So it is not 2 pi r square, it is 3 pi r square. So it is 3 pi r square. So put the value now, you will get the answer. Okay, so 3 pi r square. We have less than 1 minute. The video may be got anytime. So 3 pi r square. So so just apply the value over here. So 3 pi means 22 by 7. 22 divided by 7 into so radius is 14. 14 is square. So how much you'll get? This is going to be your answer, is it? Okay, I'll provide you the question. Okay, remaining questions I'll provide you. So otherwise I'll send you the page number and please see the question in your book.